Hello everyone, I am Pradeep Kumar from Sri Rama Bharati Public School. Today in this video we are talking about cropping pattern and the major crops. Then cropping pattern. Yes, what do I mean by cropping pattern? It refers to environmental differences that give rise to different cropping seasons. India has three cropping seasons. India has three cropping season. First one is Rabi crop season, second is Kharif crop season, and third one is Zaid crop season. Now we are discussing about one by one. The first one is Rabi crop season. Rabi crops are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, and mustard. These crops are grown in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and Uttar Pradesh. Second one is Kharif crops. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon in different part of the country, and these are harvested in September to October. Important crops grown during this season are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, moong, urad, cotton, jute, tur, groundnut, and soybean, etc. These crops are grown in Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Third one is Zaid crop season. Yes, Zaid crops. These crops are grown between Rabi and Kharif season. Time period March to June. Some important crops are watermelon, cucumber, muskmelon, vegetables, and fodder crops. Now some major crops are there. We are discussing about some major crops. First one is rice. Rice is a staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Most of the people in India used rice. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It requires high temperature, more than 25 degrees Celsius temperature, and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. It needs more than 100 centimeter rainfall. Next is rice is grown in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Rajasthan. Next is rice grown with proper irrigation through canals and tube wells. Now see this map. In this map, major or minor rice producing states are there. Those which are in dark color, that blue color, that is the major rice producing state, and light one is that the minor rice producing areas are there. Okay? Yes. Now next one is wheat. Yes. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop after rice. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of rainfall, annual rainfall. It requires cool growing season and bright sunshine. Wheat grown in Ganga Satluj plains and black soil regions of Deccan. Next is wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Now see the map of this Yes, in this map, major and minor wheat producing states are there. See the index also, major areas are there, okay, and in a light color that is the minor areas of the wheat, okay. Now next one is yes, millets. Millets, jowar, bajra and ragi are important millets. Jowar, bajra and ragi are important millets. These are also known as coarse grains. These are also known as coarse grains. They have very high nutritional value. Nutrition value. Now, first one is jowar in this. So, jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production after wheat and rice. Third most important food crop is jowar. It is a rain-fed crop, mostly grown in the moist area. Because rain-fed means because it needs more rainfall. It is also known as sorghum. It is rich in potassium, phosphorus and calcium. Next is bajra. It grows well in sandy and shallow black soil. Bajra grows in sandy and shallow black soil. It produced in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Next is ragi. Ragi is very rich in iron, calcium and rough. It grows well in dry regions on red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soils. Now next is maize. It is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. Food and fodder. It requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, very high temperature, and grows well in old alluvial soil. It grows well in old alluvial soil. It is a kharif as well as a rabi crop. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, etc. And next one is pulses. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world. Largest producer of pulses, consumer and producer of pulses in the world. These are the major source of protein and minerals. Pulses are the major source of proteins and minerals. It is also known as poor man's meat. It requires less soil moisture and can survive in dry condition. Now next is, you see in this that food crops, rice, wheat and jowar, which type of soil it needs, temperature, rainfall and major regions, in which regions these crops are grown. Now in next video we will learn about food crops and non-food crops. Thank you very much.